Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in career mode, load the exact saved career you want to change. Once loaded, go directly to the Career Hub and open the Pause or Main Settings menu. This is where training toggles live. You do this because training is tied to career options, not each match. Changing it here affects future sessions. Make sure you are the manager or player with permission, otherwise some options are grayed out. Now, proceed to Gameplay and Match Settings to find training controls. Once in Gameplay Settings, locate Training Frequency and Auto Training. These control whether the game applies sessions automatically. Turn Auto Training off or set frequency to 0 or none and confirm the change. This stops scheduled sessions from running. Next, exit to the Team Training and Player Development screens to verify there are no active plans queued. If you find a plan, remove or clear it. This prevents the system from re-enabling training next week. Save all changes before exiting. Finish by saving your career, then exit to the main menu and reload that same save to confirm settings persist. If training still runs, go back and explicitly clear any active team or player plans and reset training sliders to defaults. Sometimes hidden schedules re-enable training. Make sure your game is updated. Bugs can lock settings. If nothing helps, restart the console or PC and load the save again. That often clears cache settings and enforces the new training configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.